Hello and welcome to the final four of our horizontal hustle, featuring the Husqvarna 50, 51, and 55 Rancher chassis. Builders from all over the country have sent in their best attempts to make a race saw from this meager little farm saw that can be found in all corners of the world. I think, pretty much. Rules of engagement were: must use a Husqvarna 50, 51, or 55 chassis. Must use an open port cylinder. All saws will run a new out-of-the-box steel 78 drive link 325 23 RS chain. Thank you, Life Behind the Axe. He sponsored this event. All saws must use the same 91 octane 40-to-1 fuel mixture. No exhaust shall extend more than 2 inches past the typical saw dimensions. Anything outside of these rules was fair game. We got a lot of excellent builders and some who were fresh to the game send in a saw to answer the call. And after a long road to get here, we have finally narrowed it down to the final 4 competitors. Before we jump into the final 4, let's take another look at how a stock 55 Rancher handles this large cant of loblolly pine.
Stock saw. I'm ready.
Or an immediate pause there.
I'm ready.
Right, respectable. Actually got a little bit faster on the upcut, putting some pressure on it. All right, so the combined times of the stock saw is 29.53 seconds.
Dino Joe. This one's Corp.
Corp.
Dino Joe and Corp. Woo! Dino Joe is just smoking it.
Yeah.
There we go. Corp's combined time is 19.16 seconds.
All right, here we are again. This is Brennan.
Brennan Cass. There we go.
Last but not least, Richard Flagg.
There we go. And the last 2 of our final 4, Richard Flagg versus Brennan Cass. Whew, 2 very fast saws. And Richard Flagg's combined time is 17.57 seconds. All right, moving on to the finals, we have Dino Joe versus Brennan Cass. Now let's go to Boedy and see what he thinks about this. So there you have it. There's our finals are set. Some of you guys have picked them. Most of you guys haven't, honestly. Hopefully at this point, I've got enough people to guess the final 4 appropriately to give the prizes out. And for the big final, I was going to combine them all in this one video right here, but I thought, nah, just go ahead and do a final video as well for the 2 saws, number 1 and number 2. Up for grabs, number 1 is $400. Whoever gets first place, be it Dino Joe or Brennan Cass, is going to receive $400 from moi. And then, actually, it's from the competitors, because it cost $40 to enter this race. And so all of the competitors combined gives us the prize money and then some. I made a little bit of money on this. Woohoo! That's yay! Wasn't expecting that at all. I was just hoping to cover the prize fees. Number 2 is going to get an Echo 490 chainsaw, and then we got some other things to vote on. You guys will have to vote on who you think had the best, factory cylinder type build and stuff, and maybe we give away a couple more prizes to some people. But yeah, so far I am really skipping happy, because we're rounding this out, right? It's coming to an end, and it's been, I gotta say, from my opinion, glorious, absolutely glorious. It's really a cool event, and I'm extremely happy about it. But let me know in the comments what you guys think, and look out for the finals that will be coming up very shortly. I'm not exactly sure how they'll play out, if I'm going to play it on the same day as this or not, but it will be coming up this weekend. And if you guys are watching this in the future, way off, then, it's already out for sure. All right, so hope you enjoyed it. Good job to all the builders. And again, a big thank you to Life Behind the Axe. He was the one that sponsored this event by sending 20 brand new, fresh steel 23 RS chains to run. And that's fantastic. Thanks again. Check out his channel if you haven't already. As a matter of fact, all of the people, check out their channels throughout this. I've been tagging everyone in the item description. Yeah, in the video description, and you'll be able to see that if they have a channel that they wanted promoted, it'll be in the video description. And yeah, until the finals, see you guys later.